how to save your tokens in Claude Code CLI by using the Haiku model. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable or use Haiku instead of Opus and Sonnet and save on token usage in Claude Code CLI. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our Claude Code CLI by typing in the Claude command. And once our Claude Code launches, we're going to simply type in a forward slash and then type in model. Now hit the enter button, and from here you can choose between any model. So currently you can see that it is set to default, so this means it is using Opus 4.6. Now if you wish to enable Haiku, simply go to the third option, that is Haiku 4.5 fastest for quick answers. To select this, simply hit the enter button over Haiku, and now you can see that the model has been successfully set to Haiku 4.5. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.